Hello everyone, Luis here. Today I'm going to do a very quick video just to show you guys how I remove supports. Some people were curious about my process of removing supports, which is basically nothing that special. It's not a complete merit of mine, and the supports are great from Lutz, so it makes the process incredibly easy for anyone to do. But yeah, I will show you guys very quickly the process. Okay, I have here Vanchu from the December bundle. I just took off from the build plate. I'm using my protective gloves and protective glass because you do not want any chip of the support to go into your eye, so be careful with that. And what I do basically is before I do anything, before wash, before cure, before anything, I just start to peel off the supports by hand, especially the light ones, the thin ones, right? You need to be very careful because you do not want to do any damage to the model, but the supports are amazing, so it's basically removing by hand majority of it. What I cannot remove by hand, I use the tool, and normally the cutter, right? And normally are the ones that are located on the base because they are thicker than the other ones. So you need to use a proper tool to cut those. But as you can see, it's fairly easy to just remove by hand. I remove 80% or more of the supports by hand. You need to be very careful, of course. If you feel that there is much resistance when you try to remove, just do not move on, okay? Because you can cause damage. You can just get a cutter and do the job and avoid any damage to your model. But yeah, it's an easy, it's very easy to do that, as you can see. You see? Just by hand you can remove that. And yeah, you see there are some resistance here. I just get the cutter and start to cut all over the supports to avoid damage. But yeah, pretty much everything comes out without the need of any tool. You see? It's here. Perfect, Vanchu. So the next process now is to take Vanchu to a IPA bath on the wash and cure station, and then if there is still uncured resin leaking from the holes because it's a hollow model, I just put on the ultrasonic cleaner for a few minutes to try to remove those uncured resin from the interior of the model, okay? But that's it, it's basically that. It's not a complicated thing at all. And not only you need to have good supports to do this process, but also you need to pay attention to your exposure time of your resin, because if you overexpose your resin, the supports will not come out easy as it is coming out from those models here, and you have chips of the model came together with the support. So yeah, you need to dial in your resin printer very well. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and if you like the content, please consider to subscribe. I'm considering to post more videos for you guys about 3D printing. Okay, thank you, see you next time, bye.